Hey guys, here's 155 here with Wildcat Barley 13 and a new guy, Intentional Pizza.
And we're going to explode coke. As boring as it sounds, but it's not as boring.
Yeah, because we did this yesterday for an experiment.
It actually works. I'll put it in quick! Run! We didn't put as much in. I think we made a quite mistake there.
Do it again.
It's not going to work now.
Try. One more in, see if that works. Yeah, one more. There's not.
No.
We need to put them all in because it is fizzing. It's just not lifting up enough.
You put them all in a time.
I guess that didn't work. That one's mine. That one's mine.
Right, if someone hold the camera, you hold the camera.
What are we doing now?
Doing one thing a day.
We're taking turns to drink it.
Sorry.
The hell are you still?
Who's that? Because we need lots of people drinking coke.
Look at that, people.
Do them.
Mince.
Look at Maggie. Look at all the men.
Ready?
Yep, ready. Yeah, ready.
Easy, Ian.
Yeah, of course. I know one more to do. One more. Oh, he's still drinking. No, don't do that. Don't.
People move.
I want to do something. Right. Mine now. Someone hold the camera. No, someone hold the camera.
Look at that mint, people. Look at that. Look, that's what's happened to the mint. It started to dissolve.
Yep, George will hold the camera. Drop the mint.
Put it back in.
Shit.
And now. They all do that.
Sorry, but I did not video half of that. Okay, now that's all for today from Caza 12345, Intentional Pizza, and Wildcat Barley 13. Wait,
Subscribe, press that like button as hard as you can. Damn you.
Punch that like button.